New grill. A lot of new stuff. Vehicle key is missing. No, it ain't, bro. Yeah, bro, I got all kinds of lights, but don't worry about it. All right, boys, we are back. And look what I found in front of me. A little fucking Mustang. See if he wants to play. Probably not, because it's wet out. I'll really do his ass. He ain't going to, bro, because he's fucking... Fuck out of my way, boy. Slow ass thing. Alright, we are downtown though. We're gonna see what's popping. Probably a whole lot of nothing, but we here. We here. Turn that shit back on. My shit fogging up. We're gonna see what's popping. Cool. People got Christmas lights up already. This ain't downtown yet. We getting there. Just bear with me. I gotta kind of like cruise through this shit because Popo stay down here. They got a station right there. It's alright. Can't wait to get an exhaust system, bro. It's over with. I'm gonna piss off the whole city. Oh, I could have went that way. I tweaked. That's alright. Gonna bust a left here. Show you guys how not beautiful the city is. Just in case you were wondering. I'm just playing. It ain't that bad down here, but it's just like, this ain't no Chicago or nothing, so don't expect too much. You feel me? There's a little bit over there and a little bit over here, but there's a little bit more over here, so we're gonna go this way. Gotta be careful because there's hella crackheads down here. You feel me? I want to open the windows more, but like the wind noise, that's what sucks. I need to get a mic. Is that my boy? Is my boy down here? It is. Who he with? He with a little boo thing. I should go fucking crash. Hell no. I swear that's my boy right there. Shit, wrong window. RC! He act like he didn't hear that shit, bro. I know he heard me, bro. I know that boy heard me. What the hell? My fault. Ooh, a little Beamer right there. What is it? No, it's a Jag, I think. I don't know. I can't see. I'm fucking deaf. You know? Bro, ain't nothing going on, man. I mean, the lake looked cool and all, you know, during the day. It's my fault. Can't see nothing. Damn, bro picked the worst day to walk too. Whoever he with. He walking with some girl. She like 2 feet tall. Bro picked the absolute worst day to be out here, bro. It's nasty out. What's going on over here? Yeah, fuck that. There's always something going on over here by these bars. Bunch of drunk motherfuckers. And homeless people be fighting the drunk people. For real. Damn. That's a bust. It's always me just popping out, bro. No one ever wants to do nothing. It's just your boy. Yeah, we're gonna make some noise over here. Thought he was looking at me. I don't know, but if you guys have any video ideas, drop it, dude. What do you guys want to see? I already know this weekend. I don't know if I told you guys already, but I'm racing my boy's S4 that he just picked up. So we're gonna do that. What little Audi is that? Little Audi thing. Shit's slow. Why is there so many cars? Ain't nobody in the bar. Whole lot of nothing, bro. It's just a hella cars. Probably hear that turbo spooling low key. Wait for bro, got his car before he get ran over. Ain't no way people are sitting outside, bro. Oh yeah, which way was I about to go? I'm gonna go this way, fuck it. Bro, if I had an exhaust system, I'm in the parking garage with it too. Road close to traffic, that's crazy. Damn. Where's the parking garage? Somewhere over here. I see it, I see. I need my exhaust system, bro. Yeah, you can hear the turbos a little bit. They're like, whoosh, whoosh. Yup, you can hear him again. I need to get some intakes on this bitch. Who that, bro? Staring at me crazy. Ooh, this shit sounds so good. I need to get a thumbnail. You feel me? So I'm about to get me one of those. But I'm about to tow his shit. I'm gonna give him a ticket. Should I? I don't know if I got a pen. Yeah, that boy way down there. That's perfect time. I should give him a ticket. You know? That's what I do at night, man. I be just saving the city. Yeah, that's normal. That big ass bump in the middle of the road. Ooh, sha-la-la. back this bitch up. Big ass Bertha. Big ass Bertha. You know, she can make this turn, this big ass car. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Loading zone between signs. That's crazy. Looks like I'm parking right here. Look right there, you can actually see the city, the lights, all that cool shit. Damn, bro. Bro, there's a fucking car coming, bro. Come on, bro. Alright, bro, we back, but I was trying to get a picture. All of them just looked like shit, so that's why it took me so long. I didn't want to waste time recording that because my GoPro's dying. So now, damn, excuse me, I need to bust a Yui. It's probably not gonna happen, bro. These cars, dude, he drove by like 4 times. These cars just spawn in, bro. Watch this shit. Fuck that shit, I'm not waiting. Oh, I hear that motherfucker growling. I know they heard that shit. But yeah, man, that's the downtown. There ain't much, you know, going on, so. What the hell? What in the Jeepers Creepers? Well, if you don't get that scary ass van. Damn, your boy still gotta go to the gym still. But yeah, man, that's gonna probably be it for this. Sorry, I was spinning. That's probably gonna be it for this video. But like I said, just comment down below what you guys want to see. You know, hold on, I'm about to do a poll. I ain't gonna not do a poll. Hold on. I don't know if it's a good idea to do it right here, but this fucking truck wants to go 85 miles an hour on my ass. Damn, she's spinning. How are you spinning? Going 40 miles an hour. That's insane. I have traction like off, but not all the way off. You know what I mean? Like I just have it on like it off, but it ain't like off. You know what I mean? Yeah. Dude, that bitch pulls, bro. Missed that shit. I don't know, I haven't did a pull in a minute. Look, he way back there now. You know, he pedaled to the metal trying to keep up. I don't know, he was riding my ass, bro. Like, why? Why so close? Right, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll probably post something tomorrow, it depends. You know, I want to do something more during the day because I feel like the night POVs aren't the best. And it doesn't help that today's not nice out either, so it's like can't really be racing nothing, no one wants to do anything, so. But hey, I'm still out here. I still post it for y'all. still post it for y'all. So, you know, stay tuned and shit, you know, comment down below. And yeah.